Hi ma'am, can you tell me about yourself, your name, middle name, and last name?
Hi, I am Angelica Bosque Tejada. I'm 25 years old from Alegria, Northern Samar.
Are you single or married?
I'm single mother po. Then I
Okay.
have a live-in partner.
Okay, but do you have kids ma'am?
Yes po.
How many kids do you have?
I have two daughters, twins,
Okay, how old are they?
9 years old.
Okay, and how many siblings do you have?
We have 6 siblings.
And
And
what
I
is your
am-
order in the family?
I am the fourth.
Okay, thank you. And tell me about your educational background.
I'm ALS graduate.
Okay, and do you have work experience abroad?
Local experience po.
Okay. Can you tell me your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in the Philippines?
And I take care of the 5 months and 5 to 6 years old. Then I cook, clean,
Mhm.
and do tutor.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And how would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and most of patient.
Okay. And do you have any tattoo in your body?
I have in the left legs.
Okay. But this is not visible, right?
Yes po.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No po.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I need to hire salary to support my family.
Okay. And are you scared of dogs and cats?
No po.
Okay. Give me your idea. How can you take care of a naughty children or children with tantrums?
I talk to them in calm voice, then I read books and in a naughty child,
Mm-hmm.
then play with them.
Okay. And last question. What is your message to your future employer?
Hi employer, please hire me. I'm hardworking and honest.
Okay. Thank you.